No, there he is.
Where I fucking stopped was the cop right behind me. Fuck.
Yeah, considering you got 30-day tags on both
That are expired.
Yeah.
You're color coordinated. That jacket's kind of in your hair and everything. Color coordinated. That is cool.
So how did it feel?
Oh, good, but cold.
Yeah.
He's got a park fix that garage.
I know. My fucking hand's all bruised at the bottom because grabbing it real quick.
Stop there, stop. See it?
Not until after I turned and came back.
That's why I was like, cut, because I stalled.
Well, you'll get used to it.
How many times have you rode that bike?
First time done.
Damn! That's great.
She's rode
I figured
like,
you'd been on a dozen times
All over
already.
in the garage with it though.
That's what I heard.
'Cause
I grabbed it
floors-
real quick. It didn't actually.
Yeah,
And
no.
it's not the bike, it's the garage.
Yeah, the floor's slippery now.
Yeah.
Because as soon as she got